Alright guys, so I'm back today with another video, and this is going to be on this short and simple bob unit brought to you by the company Myfirstwigs. Of course, you guys know I will make sure to leave all the information down below, but the unit that I have from them is a full lace wig. This one is called Dominique, and the hair color is a natural hair color. It is 10 inches. It is a silky texture. Lace color is medium brown, and with this cap construction, you do get 6 inches of parting space. It does come with your soft lace in the back, and you also get your adjustable straps. Now for this unit, once again, I did not add on any type of elastic band because their units fit me very well. The only thing I have on underneath this is my wig grip cap. What you see me doing right here is just filling around, because with the wig grip cap you want to make sure that the top part is laying very flat, because you don't want to have any ripples or any kind of like little humps in the front. So what I'm doing is pulling the wig back, and I'm just making sure to lay the very front of the wig grip cap flat, and that will make a flat surface so you don't have to worry about any lumps and bumps. And as you guys can see, that is what the hairline looks like. Now with this unit, the front of the hairline does come pre-bleached, but I did decide to go in and bleach the rest of the unit just because I felt like the knots were a little bit darker on this unit, so I wanted it to be all even. I'm just going to clip all of the hair back and just kind of smooth everything out of the way so that I can get ready to cut my lace. As you guys can see, I don't have any baby hairs. This is just slicked all the way back, and I'm cutting close enough to the hairline but not too close to where I'm cutting into the hairline. You want to make sure you leave enough of lace to be able to work with in case you want to create any baby hairs, or if you want to adhere this down using any glue and anything, it's still going to look natural. I won't be using any adhesives today. I'm going to go ahead and cut the extra lace off on the side, and I want this to be a perfect fit because I don't want to have to worry about tucking or anything. This is another way you could do it. I tuck on the days that I'm just being lazy and I don't want to cut any of the lace off, but this is a way for you to just make sure everything is sitting just right. And if you want to put like a little freeze spray on the side to make sure it doesn't flap up, that's okay. Today's method, I just won't be putting anything on the sides. So now I'm just going to go in with this new flat iron that 𝐏𝐫𝐞-𝐞𝐯 sent over. Of course, you guys know I did purchase the bigger flat iron and I absolutely love it, but they decided to send me the 1-inch one. This one is in the color pink. Like, this color is very pretty, and it does come in 3 different colors: the rose pink, it also comes in a matte black, and it also comes in a bright gold. Titanium flat iron, and it heats all the way up to 450 degrees. Of course, it has a 3D floating plate so it doesn't pull on your hair. I'll have a 20% off coupon to share with my subscribers in case you guys are interested in this flat iron. Flat iron heats up very quick, just like the other one, and it also works fine. I don't have any issues with it. There are tons of reviews on Amazon, so make sure you guys go and check it out. Just going to go ahead and start parting my hair down the middle, and I'm going to take my wand curl and I'm just going to flatten everything out because I don't have any product on the hair as of yet, so I just want to make sure that everything is lined up. Of course, you guys are going to see me go back and forth with me parting it in the middle because I try to get like a perfect middle part. It doesn't always work out like that, but I can't stand for the hair to be like zigzag if I'm doing a middle part. Like with the bigger flat iron, this one does get very hot. I have not tried to curl with this flat iron, but I will test it out another day when I'm curling some hair. But so far, so good. One thing about this wig is that it does come in different lengths. You can get all the way up to 14 inches. The hair texture is silky. You can ask for a Yaki texture if you want to. And then the lace color, of course, you can go light brown and medium brown. The cap size I have is a cap size 1 because a lot of you guys ask me about the cap size. On the site, it does show how you can add different things to your purchase, such as like a flyaway tamer in case you guys don't have it. Things like a lace grip wig kit, edge control brush, elastic band set. Those will be great for people who don't have those items already and they are beginners and they don't know where to start at. So now I am just taking my 𝐏𝐫𝐞 wax stick. Now mine did come with the flyaway tamer, but I totally forgot all about it. So I ended up just using my 𝐏𝐫𝐞 wax stick, and now I'm just taking my edge brush and just brushing it all in. As you guys can see, I am holding the lace in the very front just so that it won't lift up. And now I'm going to go back in with my curling wand and just kind of go over the very front, because with this unit I want it to be very flat at the top. Like, I want it to be flat. I don't want any type of humps because it is so short and the hair is already straight. So now I'm just going with my Ruby Kisses 3D Creator contour palette in the color light medium, and I'm just going into the parting space and then around the sides of the hairline just to make sure that everything blends in with my skin really good. You'll see me go in and kind of cut off a little bit more lace in the front just because I felt like it was some excess lace left over and it just wasn't coming off as natural as I wanted it to be, and that like solved everything. So this is what the side of the unit looks like. This bob is very cute. This is appropriate for every day. Like I said, you can go all the way up to 14 inches. I felt like this one hit me just right. I could have even went a little bit longer, like a 12 inch, and I think it would have been perfect. The cut on this is very nice. As far as shedding and tangling goes, I didn't get any tangling with this unit. I did get some shedding, but that's because I cut off the ear tab part. Other than that, I didn't get any shedding. And then I did experience some frizziness with this unit. That is my only con. So you need to make sure that you put some of your Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine serum in there just to control any of your flyaways. Then I decided to tuck this behind my ear just to show you guys how natural this looks without me adding any type of adhesives. It looks really good, and this is great for everyday wear. Hey guys, let me know what you think about this unit. Right now, the company is hosting their Black Friday sale. You get an extra 15% off a wig, plus you get a free wig kit. So if you guys are interested in this, I'll make sure to leave all the details down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification button, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.